What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking out the Lexus. And no, not this one. That one.
We not the same game, whoa. Oh, I bang, whoa. With the flying game, whoa. We too insane on these hoes. I took off my mask, you know. They mad on how she below. And the hoes, they fucking the hoes. Big rocks on me, psycho.
One of my favorite things about this car is CarPlay. It's amazing. Also, I love the blue suede on these doors here. And if you guys are wondering about the black carpet looking thing, it was on here when I got the car. I mean, it's not like stuck on there or anything. It's just like, it's like a dash protector pretty much. And it's not hiding any shitty dash either. It's actually, the dash underneath is almost actually flawless. There's no problems with it, which is pretty nice. I just left it on there to kind of, you know, help protect it from the sun still, because it's already in such good condition. I know a lot of people probably won't like it, but, you know, it does what it is. This car is an amazing daily driver. I've probably been daily driving it for close to 2 months now. You know, I've done a couple things to it here and there. I've got the KBD body kit on it. Luckily, when I bought this car, I got it for a pretty good deal, especially how good, like, the engine and mechanically wise this car was in. It's in pretty good condition still. Because I feel like a lot of these cars are beat to hell from drifting. Which, I mean, this one's probably seen some drifting too, based on just like the body looks of it. But we got the bumper on, because when I originally got it, it did not come with the front bumper. But I got the KBD bumper on the front, got the side skirts, and I got a new rear bumper sitting in the garage, just waiting to get wrapped. So I'm planning on taking this car to hopefully get it wrapped this weekend. I'm not going to reveal the color because I haven't even been telling a lot of my friends, so I'm trying to keep it a whole secret to see what everybody actually thinks of it in the end. Also, let me know if you guys want to hear me like yapping the videos, or if you just want like a chill car ride, or how you want these style of videos to go, because it's really up to you guys. I could do either, you know. I could sit here and talk the whole time about stupid shit, or you could just enjoy the video of me driving. So I'll probably just do a little mix of that in this video. It's probably not going to be a super long drive anyways, because I'm just going to work. the school zone. Love it. Can only go 15 through this area. Cops love to sit up here. Another rainy day down here. It's supposed to rain almost all week. It's kind of shitty. I guess this will be definitely the car I'm taking out. Not planning on taking the red car out anytime in the rain or really in the week. It's mainly just going to be a weekend type car as long as she's running good. Well, I guess I'll take that back. So I'm taking this to get it wrapped. I will be dailying the 350. But for now, this is definitely the daily. We'll have to gosh, I can't speak. We'll have to see what comes next, because once I get this wrapped, I know I don't want to daily it anymore. So, know what that means. Daily for the daily. Yeah. The ultimate loop here. Once you get the daily looking nice, you need another daily. Damn. I don't know if you can see that, but his damn something underneath his car was fucking shaking. Bit of that windshield wiper action. Yeah, man, this is just a solid car, you know. Super solid daily, at least for the moment. is300. These things last forever. So smooth to drive. If you guys like want a whole walk around of the car, I can make a separate video on that. You know, it's nothing too special. It's coils, wheels, pretty much completely stock engine bay. Super clean engine bay though, I will say. Almost looks brand new under there. I was super surprised when I actually went to go check out this car of how good it looked underneath the hood. You know, it's got CarPlay. There's not a whole lot of like crazy things done to it. You know, I love this car. Really enjoyed owning it for the past couple months. I plan to do, you know, a couple more things here after I get it wrapped. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. I would like to boost it in the future. That's like far off though, because that would really probably cut into the reliability of the car. And I don't know. It would be sick to be boosted, but that's just a lot of money into it, and just to kill the reliability of it. You know, if I was planning on drifting it or something, then yeah, I could see myself doing that, but I don't know. I would like to drift it. I just don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this car yet, you know. So we'll just have to see what happens in the future with it. Nice little stretch here. Gonna try to squeeze by the Kia, and yeah, I think we should be good to go after this car. Just make sure she's turning. Let's go. Let's pull it on out. There's a little pull. That wasn't like full throttle or anything, but just a little something. Kind of, this video's probably gonna be boring. There ain't a whole lot going on. It's literally me just driving to work. But I thought I should make a YouTube video. I haven't made like an actual video besides shorts in a while. So, you know, we'll see. I was hoping maybe something interesting happened on the way. And again, again, you know, not really. Didn't expect too much. There ain't gonna be any super nice cars or anything out in the rain like this on a Monday morning. You know, we'll let her stretch her legs a little bit. Sorry for the little cut there. Didn't want to expose, you know, where I worked at and all that. So, but yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I don't know. If you stuck around this long, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed it, I guess like. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. You know, it wasn't a whole lot going on in this video. Just a little POV drive, I guess, in the rain. Slight rain. But yeah, thanks for all the support, guys. Planning on making more videos, so hope y'all stick around for that.